I never touched a computer until I was in Form 2. Were 250 students in class, and I remember we had to share one computer amongst about six of us. We had about 30 computers, and some of them were not even working. So it was always the guy who knew how to type that sat in the middle, and the rest of us would sit in the sides and just watch and try to follow along. There was no way you could be in the middle if you didn't even know how to type your name. So this really made me feel like computers were not my thing. I was never feeling confident of myself every time we went for those classes, and I eventually dropped the subject. Later on, when I joined university, I was offered computer engineering, and this time round, I had to learn touch typing. So I bought my first computer and I wanted to learn Python, the programming language. And I remember I had to look out for every character on the keyboard, one character at a time. Man, that was so so frustrating, and it was reminiscent of those days in high school. So I decided to try and find ways of learning how to type without looking at the keyboard. I discovered touch typing. After hours and days and weeks and months, maybe a year now, a couple of years now, I can type without looking at the keyboard. And I have discovered that one of the critical skills that anyone using a computer needs to master is touch typing. You need to master touch typing if you use a computer on a daily basis. You don't need to be the kind of guy who types while looking at your keyboard. You need to have all your attention on the screen. That helps you to think better. It helps you to work faster. It even improves your confidence when you're doing whatever you're doing, whether anybody's watching you or not. So I'll be launching a virtual training on how you can improve your touch typing